Shoot, I'm on the wrong thing here. Oh shoot, I'm going the wrong way.
Uh-oh, not again.
Shoot. I went the wrong. I should have gone straight.
Oh, that was a short. That was like a short shake that time. Now we're going to the bigger ones. How many was that? Was that 4?
Huh?
Was that 4?
I don't know.
Actually, yeah, it is. This left quake machine always keeps its balance.
My life with an eye point. One day, walking out of those doors, a free woman, and then
Oh my God! Jesus sakes!
Oh man.
Man, am I lucky!
And she said Trump and the same breath. What do you think it's worth?
Oh my God! Are you ever gonna stop?
I don't know.
By the way, any folks in the left, welcome to call in.
Oh great! Now there's again a train.
What?
There's a train.
God or Trump. I'm going to walk you through. Anthony Bourdain, suicide. The spike in suicide generally. The lack of morality in our society.
I guess I can film the train too.
Lack of morality in our society.
Okay. Is that 8 or 9?
I don't know.
I think it was 8.
I don't think it is.
I didn't keep count.
Oh my God.
I am not in an underground bunker.
Please don't do no more because I'm not. I hope this doesn't go to the end.
I do a morning show, WJNO, in West Palm Beach. I do a mid-morning show, WIOD, in Miami. And it is always in honor and
That tree, how tall that
for the
is.
great one, Marshall.
Okay, I think I have a better idea for this video. You know what that is, Grandma? I'm gonna put it on YouTube, and it's gonna be Funny Grandma Sneeze version 11 with the train bonus
have a
number
train.
2. Yeah, I did. I just filmed. I turned the camera when I saw the gate when I saw the gates were down. Oh my God. Oh. Attention, please. This is an important left quick announcement. Everyone report to Memorial Halden Hospital. I repeat, everyone report to Memorial Halden Hospital immediately. Oh, great. I hope everyone's okay during this left quake. It's your fault, Grandma.
What?
It's your fault. You caused the left quake.
I did not. You're the one that giggled.
Ah!
Yep.
Can't say that word.
Caused.
Alright. Well, I think I'm just going to end it here. So,
Come on, truck. My goodness. You can't go more than 20 miles an hour.
I hope you guys enjoyed this Funny Grandma Sneeze version 11 video and this train. So I hope you enjoyed it. So see you soon.